I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer money from Stripe to Klarna, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Log into Stripe. Access your Stripe account by entering your credentials on the Stripe login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to initiate transfers. Step 2. Navigate to Payouts. Once logged in, find the Payout section in the dashboard. This is where you can manage your funds and initiate transfers. Step 3. Select Transfer Method. Choose the option to transfer funds. You may need to select Klarna as your transfer destination if it's not already set up. Step 4. Enter transfer amount. Input the amount you wish to transfer to Klarna. Double check the amount to avoid any mistakes, especially if you're retransferring a large sum. Step 5. Confirm and initiate transfer. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the airshot.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble transferring your funds. If you run into any issues, double check your account settings and ensure Klarna is properly linked. Happy transferring!